thrown, dumped, ground up alive. These shocking abuses were documented by a Mercy for Animals whistleblower at a hatchery owned by Maple Lodge Farms. The miserable lives of chickens killed for meat begin here at the hatchery. Newly hatched chicks are roughly separated from their shells by a machine and then dropped onto crowded conveyor belts. Injuries and death are common. While separating the baby birds, workers carelessly shove and fling them by their delicate wings. Chicks who appear injured, ill, or too small are thrown into a macerator and ground up alive. One day, a Mercy for Animals whistleblower documented more than 25,000 healthy chicks dumped into the macerator just because an order was canceled. Workers kill some chicks by smashing their necks against sharp edges or ripping off their heads entirely. Sadly, these horrific killing methods are considered standard practice in the factory farming industry, which treats sensitive and fragile baby birds as mere meat-producing machines. But you can help end this suffering. The best way to protect chickens and other animals from egregious cruelty is simply to leave them off our plates. Learn more at maplelodgeharms.ca.